is my upstairs bathroom window. I think I see CooCoo sitting on the fence. CooCoo! CooCoo, is that you? He heard me call. I don't know where you were. Can you make it to my hand? Come here. You were out all night, huh? Come here. Come here. Come on, try. Come on. Come on, CooCoo. Come on, CooCoo. Come on. Come on, CooCoo. Where'd you go? That's funny. She heard me call, or he. That wasn't. I thought that was CooCoo down there on the fence. But not. Okay, so CooCoo just came to my bathroom window. I'm gonna go upstairs, outside here, and see if I can attract it. CooCoo! Is that you up there? Come on, CooCoo. Come on, CooCoo. Come on, CooCoo. Is that you? Come on, CooCoo. Is that you up there? I can't identify you. Come on. I think that's you. That's you, all right. What you doing, sweetie Petey? Look what I got for you. Look what I got for you. Can't beat that. Silly bird. I'm in the house. You're following me? You want to come in for a quick drink of water and some food? Let me open the door. Come on, CooCoo. Yeah, came to the bathroom window. Come on. Come on, CooCoo. I'll give you some food inside. Here you are. You got followers, huh? Come on. Come on in the house. I'll give you some food. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, you know the route. Go ahead. Look at that. Right up to its perch. What a great little bird. And then watch this. Look, I'll give you some stuff down here. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Where have you been all night? You were out all night last night, huh? Here's some stuff. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. I know you're gonna. You're a smart bird. And then come on in here. And look at what I got for you. Look at that. What a super smart bird. Guess that's why they call them homing pigeons, even though this is a dove. You need some water too? Let me get you some water. You crazy little bird. Sometimes CooCoo sleeps in here on this perch and does little poopies on the paper like that. Sometimes it goes outside, becoming a big adult dove. Eating. Here's some water now. Here, CooCoo. Have some water. Here. Good stuff. Good stuff.